Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can open a ticket support from our dashboard or directly contact the support team. First of all, let us see how we can open a new ticket. You need to log into your manager account as you see here. We have already explained that we have two accounts, the manager account, which is this one, and the store account, which is when you click on manage and accept, you will go directly to the store account as you see right here. Now let's get back to the manager account by clicking on manager and click on stores like this. Now we are in the manager account. You will see a menu of supports. Click on it like this and you will see tickets right here. Let's create a new ticket. For example, the subject of our ticket is store payments methods. Then select the department. For example, I want just either you have a question or you are seeking an information. I'm gonna click on info and select the store. If you have a multiple store, you can select them right here. I'm gonna select my store and add a demo text like this and click on confirm. As you see now, my ticket is open. And if I click on this view button right here, I will see all the replies in this tab like this. Now let's go and see how we can contact the support team directly. I'm gonna click on manage and click on accept. As you noticed in this right down corner, we have a contact icon. If I click on this contact icon, a new tab will be opened. So I could put my name and my email and the message. Like this and click on send. As you see, we have been sended the message to the support team. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave us in the comments below.